Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall learn about the stock adjustment journal in Axanta ERP. So now what is stock adjustment? A stock adjustment journal is used to correct or update the quantity of the products recorded in the system so that it matches the actual physical stock available in the respective locations. For example, sometimes the quantity shown in the system may not be accurate due to various reasons such as damaged goods, missing items, sample items given, extra stock received, and so on. So, in such cases, a stock adjustment journal ensures that your system reflects the real stock on hand, helping you maintain accurate inventory records and smooth operations. Stock Adjustment Journal is also used to upload the opening stock in Axanta. So in order to go to the stock adjustment, you need to click on the menu, go to inventory module. Under journals, you will find stock adjustment. Once you have clicked, here by default, you will find all the stock adjustment journals which is in the draft status as the filter is applied as draft. So basically, these are the stock adjustment journals which are yet to be completed. In case if you want to remove this draft status filter, then you just need to click here and then this filter will be removed and you will get all the stock adjustment journals. Then if you want to see the stock adjustment journal only for done status, then you need to click on filter and here you need to click on done. So here you will get all the stock adjustment journal which are in the done status. You can even search the stock adjustment journal by its number. For example, if you want to filter this stock adjustment journal 0002, so in the search bar you can enter that number, let's say 0002, and click here. So as you can see, you will get the filtered journal. Similarly, in the add custom filter, you have various other options which you can use to filter as per your requirements. Also, you have the add custom grouping option as well. Then, if you want to see the details of any stock adjustment journal, so you just need to click on the journal and here you will find all the details. Now let's create a new stock adjustment journal. So in order to create a new stock adjustment journal, we shall click on this new button. Then here there are various fields that needs to be filled. So in the effective date, you need to select the date for which you want to have the adjustment impact. Then if you have any reference for the stock adjustment journal, you can enter the reference as well. Now, for example, if you want to do a stock adjustment for a specific location, so in the default warehouse, you can select the location for which you want to do the stock adjustment. So for example, if you want to do the stock adjustment for this store A location, so you'll select store A, and if you click on add a line, automatically in the warehouse, the default location that you have set, that will be selected. Then in the stock journal, as you can see that we have created three different stock journals: stock adjustment, damaged stock, and free sample stock. Now let's take an example. Let's say you have distributed some quantities of a product as free samples and you want to adjust your stock for that. So in this case, you will simply select this free sample stock journal. And if you will notice that as soon as you have selected this free sample stock journal, its offset location which is linked to this journal will get selected automatically. And if you will click on this offset location, you can even set the accounts where you would like the accounting impact to be reflected. So for this example, here I have selected this free sample stock account. And if you will see here that this account type is as an expense account. Also, you can create different stock adjustment journals as per your requirements. From the configuration, you will find stock journal, and you can create offset locations from this locations options. Now, let's take an example of this product. So here, as you can see, that the cost of this product is 10 KD per piece, and here you have 25 pieces on hand for this product in the main warehouse. Now let's assume that you have distributed 5 pieces of this product as free samples, and you want to do the stock adjustment for the same. So let's see how to do that. So here we have created the stock adjustment journal. So in the stock journal, we will select this free sample stock journal. Then we'll select the date. Then if you want to enter any reference, you can give a reference. And here in the default warehouse, we'll select this main warehouse location, as we want to reduce the quantities from this warehouse. Then here we'll click on add a line. Then here we'll select the product, and here we'll put -5 as we are reducing 5 pieces. Then here under unit cost, you can see the unit cost of this product, and you can see the total cost amount. So this is basically the total inventory value which will be getting reduced. So 50 KD is the inventory value which will be getting reduced. And here, as you can see that this line is showing in red, this is because we are reducing the inventory. So similarly, you can add other products as well. So for now, we shall click on this save button. So here, as you can see that this stock adjustment journal status is in the draft. So now we shall post this. So on posting this stock adjustment journal, the inventory impact will take place. So we'll click on this post, and here it will ask you that are you sure you want to post these lines, and we'll click on OK. And here, as you can see that now the stock adjustment journal status has changed to done, and the inventory and the account impact has taken place. And now if you will see that the stock on hand for this product is 20 pieces. And if you want to see the accounting impact, so on the stock adjustment journal there is accounting entries, so you need to click here. So if you will see that the inventory valuation account has been credited by 50 KD as we have reduced the inventory, and this free sample stock account, which is an expense account, has been debited by 50 KD. Earlier we saw that how to enter the products manually in the stock adjustment journal. But in situations where you have a bulk products for which you want to do the stock adjustment, so in that case you can import the product lines as well. So in order to import the lines, first we shall click on this import lines button, and then here we shall click on import template for stock adjustment lines. So as soon as we'll click here, an Excel file will get downloaded. So here, as you can see that this is the file which has been downloaded, and here there are different columns such as product, unit of measure, warehouse and quantity. So in the product column, you can enter either the product code or the barcode, whichever you prefer. Next, we have the unit of measure column. Here you will enter the unit of measure for that product. Just keep in mind, if you leave this column blank and try to import the file, the system will show you an error. However, if you don't really need this column, you can simply delete it. In that case, during the import, the system will automatically pick the base unit of measure that is already set in the product master. Similarly, in the warehouse column, if you leave it blank, the system will again give you an error. But if you have already set a default warehouse on the stock adjustment journal, then you can remove this column too. The system will automatically pick that default warehouse during the import. And finally, in the quantity column, you will enter the quantity that needs to be adjusted. So here, as you can see that we have prepared this file, and for this demo we have deleted this unit of measure and warehouse column, and here we have entered the item code and the quantity that needs to be adjusted. So now we shall save this file and we'll go to the stock adjustment journal and see how to import this. So in order to import the file, we shall click on import lines. Then we shall click on upload file. Here we'll select the file that we have saved. And first we shall click on this test button to verify that there is no error. So here, as you can see, the message will appear that everything seems valid, which means that the file does not contain any error. And now we shall click on import. So here, as you can see, all the details has been imported here in the stock adjustment journal. So here, as you can see, that whatever the default warehouse was set on the stock adjustment journal, the system automatically took that warehouse, and here by default the base unit of measure the system took as pieces. So now we shall post this stock adjustment journal. So we shall click on this post button, we shall click on OK, and now the stock adjustment journal has been posted. So this is how you can perform stock adjustment in Axanta ERP.